A and E are fairly simple because they represent common sounds in many other languages. But telling the difference between U and I can be absolute hell, not to ever mention O and U and how they differ from Ö and Ü. So let's dive into the world of Turkish vowels. Did you know that you can pronounce Ü in literal seconds? I'll show you a really cool trick at the end of the video. Let's get you to practice so your pronunciation sounds undoubtedly Turkish. Let's take a look at the sounds these vowels make. I'll show you the International Phonetic Alphabet representations and show you English words that use similar sounds. U. This is a close, back, rounded vowel. Put your tongue up close to your palate, sink it low in your mouth at the back, and tighten your lips. Uyumak. To sleep. Uyumak.
Uyumak.
Uyumak.
Uyumak. Uyumak.
Uyumak.
Uyumak.
Uyumak. Uyumak.
Ulaşım. Transportation. Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
Ulaşım. Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
Ulaşım.
This is the same sound at the end of the word you in English. You. Now it's your turn. Pronounce this word. Ulus. Nation. Ulus. Ü. Ü. This is a close front rounded vowel. Put your tongue up close to your palate, bring it forward close to your teeth, and tighten your lips. Üşümek. To be cold. Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üşümek. Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üşümek.
Üzgün. To be sad. Üzgün.
Üzgün.
Üzgün.
Üzgün.
Üzgün. Üzgün.
Üzgün.
Üzgün.
Üzgün.
This is a similar sound to the sound that is in the middle of the word few in English. Few. Now it's your turn. Pronounce this word. Ürün. Product. Ürün. Keep that position of your mouth and only move your tongue back. Can you switch back and forth between these two sounds? Like this? Ürün. Ürün. If you can, remember that position of your mouth and the motion that you make. If not, rewind the video and practice one more time. O. O. This is a mid-back rounded vowel. Relax your tongue to rest halfway in your mouth. Push it back, round up and protrude your lips. Oyuncak. Toy. Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Oyuncak. Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Oyuncak.
Okul. School. Okul.
Okul.
Okul.
Okul.
Okul. Okul.
Okul.
Okul.
Okul.
This is similar to the sound in the middle of these two words in English. Thought. Cambodia. Now it's your turn. Pronounce this word. Onur. Pride. Onur. Ö. Ö. This is a mid-front rounded vowel. Relax and rest your tongue halfway in your mouth. Bring it close to your teeth. Round up and protrude your lips. Ödül. Prize. Ödül.
Ödül.
Ödül.
Ödül.
Ödül. Ödül.
Ödül.
Ödül.
Ödül.
Öğlen. Lunchtime. Öğlen.
Öğlen.
Öğlen.
Öğlen.
Öğlen. Öğlen.
Öğlen.
Öğlen.
Öğlen.
This is similar to the sound in the middle of the word bird in English. Bird. Now it's your turn. Pronounce this word. Özel. Special. Özel. Keep that position of your mouth and only move your tongue back. And try to switch back and forth between these two sounds, just like this. Özel. Özel. Can you do it? Can you switch back and forth between the two sounds? If you can, then remember the positions of your mouth. If not, rewind the video and practice it one more time. These are all the rounded vowels. Now let's look at the flat ones and you will be surprised at how easily you can produce the nightmare-inducing sound. There's a link in the description with a PDF sheet with all of these words and their English translations along with example sentences. And while you're at it, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into flat vowels. This is a close, back, unrounded, flat vowel. Put your tongue up close to your palate. Now push it back. Keep your lips neutral. But I promised a foolproof way to pronounce this.
Brother,
You must be very familiar with the sound ah. So that's simple, right? Now do that, produce the sound ah, and then don't change anything, just close your mouth in the middle of it. Ah, ah, ah. See that? Ah, ah, ah, ah, ah. Remember that position of your mouth. This is important for us because is not an easy sound to make. Kırılmak. To be broken. Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Kırılmak. Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Kırılmak.
Işık. Light. Işık.
Işık.
Işık.
Işık.
Işık. Işık.
Işık.
Işık.
Işık.
You can hear the sound very briefly at the end of the word obstacle in English. Obstacle. Now it's your turn. Pronounce this word. Irmak. River. Irmak. E. E. This is a close, front, unrounded, flat vowel. Put your tongue up close to your palate. Position it close to your teeth. Keep your lips neutral. İstemek. To want. İstemek.
İstemek.
İstemek.
İstemek.
İstemek. İstemek.
İstemek.
İstemek.
İstemek.
İlgi. Interest. İlgi.
İlgi.
İlgi.
İlgi.
İlgi. İlgi.
İlgi.
İlgi.
İlgi.
This is the same sound as in the middle of the word sit in English. Now it's your turn. Pronounce iklim, climate, iklim. Now keep that position of your mouth and only move your tongue back and forth to switch between the two sounds, just like this. Can you do it? If you can, remember the position of your mouth. If not, then rewind the video and practice one more time. Which sound was the easiest and which sound was the hardest to produce? Put it in the comments and I will see you in the next video.